she's really kind and sweet, and even she's young, younger than me, but she's very mature. And she helped me to get used to on the set. So it was very fun, and we did TikTok together. Yes, TikTok video, you know.
TikTok.
Yeah. So it means like we are friends.
Right.
Yeah. So it was fun, and it's like I like to work with everyone. Actually, they're always really welcome to me because sometimes I don't understand what they're saying, but they're always trying to translate and explain everything. Like even even it's hard. They always try to like communicate with me. So I was really thankful to everyone. Yes.
Richard, nakita ko sa trailer, parang meron kayong heavy scene together ni Jisoo. Parang may confrontation, may parang magkaharap kayo.